everyone, welcome back to Unbox Unveil, your ultimate gadget unboxing destination. Today we're checking out something for your kitchen, the Philips Air Fryer NA120, a 1500 watt air fryer that promises crispy, tasty food with up to 90% less fat. Let's unbox it and see what makes it special. This Philips air fryer comes in a neatly packed, well-designed cardboard box. And you'll find all the key product details printed right around it. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox it. Inside the box, you get the Philips air fryer unit with a non-stick frying basket and of course the user manual along with the warranty card. The first impression, solid build quality, just as expected from Philips. That matte black finish really gives it a premium look and blends beautifully on any kitchen counter. This model comes with a 4.2-litre capacity, perfect for small to medium families. It's powered by a 1500-watt heating element and uses rapid air technology, which circulates hot air evenly to make your food crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, all while using much less oil. At the front, you'll find two easy-to-use control knobs, one for temperature and one for the timer, making it super simple to operate, even if it's your first air fryer. Now, let's take a closer look at the frying basket. This is a 4.2-litre non-stick basket, perfect for making snacks for your whole family. All the parts here are dishwasher friendly, so cleaning it up is completely hassle-free. Let's put the camera inside the basket so you can get a better look at the heating coil and the fan mechanism. This is where all the magic happens. The rapid air technology circulates hot air evenly around your food, ensuring it's crispy outside and tender inside every single time. So far, we've seen the unboxing and shared our first impressions of this Philips air fryer. Now it's time to put it to the real test. Let's start by making some fried paneer and see how well it performs. For our first cooking test, we're going to make paneer tikka. Let's start by mixing the paneer cubes with some spices and veggies and prepare a nice flavorful batter. Once it's all coated well, we'll place the pieces into the air fryer basket. Now, set the temperature to 160 degrees Celsius and the timer for 10 minutes. After that, we'll check how our paneer tikka turns out. Now, let's try baking a cake in this air fryer. First, prepare your cake batter and pour it into a suitable baking bowl or mold. Next, place it inside the air fryer, set the temperature to 160 degrees Celsius and the timer for 20 minutes. That's it, your delicious fluffy cake will be ready in no time. It's really that simple. Now, let's move on to a quick chicken tikka test. I've already prepared and cooked the chicken, but here's what you need to do. First, marinate your chicken pieces, then place them in the air fryer. Set the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius and the timer for 20 minutes. And that's it, your delicious chicken tikka will be ready. As you can see here, the chicken looks perfectly cooked, crispy on the outside, and when I break it open, it's soft, juicy and tender inside. That's exactly what you want from a good air fryer. And for those who are concerned about power consumption, let's take a look at that too. This air fryer can draw up to 1.5 kilowatts at its peak. During the cooking process, it automatically switches off the heating coil at intervals to cool down, while the fan continues to run, consuming just around 20 watts of power. So overall, it's quite energy efficient for daily use. So that wraps up our complete unboxing and testing of the Philips air fryer. We tried paneer tikka, cake and chicken tikka, and it handled all of them really well. Evenly cooked, crispy outside and soft inside. The build quality feels solid, it's easy to use, easy to clean, and definitely a great choice for anyone who wants to cook tasty food with less oil. Overall, a perfect kitchen companion for healthy and hassle-free cooking. If you like this video and want to see more amazing unboxings and real-life tests, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Unbox Unveil. And if you want to buy this air fryer, you'll find the purchase link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next unboxing video.